In this pretty short video, I'm going to show you how I like to make pickles, and these are the kind of pickles that you'll find typically on a tray of barbecue. They're sweet, they're sour, they perfectly cut through the rich fattiness of smoked meats, go great in burgers, and pretty much anything else. And this recipe is going to be just about the right amount for a home cook. They're going to last in your fridge for a long time, but I'm going to give you the recipe in percentages so you can scale it up if you do barbecue catering or any kind of catering, and the recipe will of course be below in the description. So I have here 2 cucumbers. These are just regular salad cucumbers. I got them from my supermarket home delivery, and we're really not going to do too much to these. We're just going to take off the ends. You'll notice that I'm using a wavy, corrugated maybe? I don't know. Basically, it's got little grooves in it, so it's not a straight edge knife. And the reason why I use this when making pickles is I just like the wavy texture that it gives, particularly when you're using just regular cucumbers like this, but you could just use a straight edge knife. And I'll drop a link below to this particular knife so you can buy it for yourself. So once I've got both these cut up, I'm going to put them into a 32-ounce deli cut. So this isn't me just using ounces rather than milliliters. This is actually how they're sold. Squash them in nice and tight. So I know from making a batch this size before, using 2 cucumbers and a 32-ounce deli pot, how much brine I need to add to this to make sure that it's fully submerged. So for this particular recipe, I'm going to add 107 grams of white vinegar and 322 grams of cold water. That's a 1:3 ratio.
And to that, we're going to add 10 grams of salt and 20 grams of sugar.
So it doesn't need to be boiling at this point because we don't want to evaporate too much water, and also so you can go in for a taste. And if it's got the right balance of sourness, sweetness and acidity, then you're good to go. So I'm going to add in about 2 grams of yellow mustard seeds, and then what I think is about 2 grams of turmeric. So what this is going to do is keep your pickles looking nice and green, almost like a luminous green. I might have added too much, but maybe 1 gram is right, doesn't really matter. Bring this to a boil. So we've got our pickle brine, we've got our sliced cucumbers, and all we need to do is pour the just boiled brine over these. And because I weighed everything out, we are just about submerged. And what this brine is going to do is effectively cook these cucumbers. And that, to be honest, is pretty much it. It should have a good balance of salt, sweet and sour. And these would be perfect just at home. This is obviously a good portion size. Last for a long time. Not exactly sure how long. So all you're going to do from here is pretty much wait until these cool down, pop the lid on and put them into your fridge. I think these are best left in your fridge for at least a day, 24 hours, maybe even 48 hours. From there, they should be pretty much ready to go. But I made a batch of these about a week ago. They've had some good time to pickle. They've got that texture, flavor and crunch that you expect from a pickle. And you may not be able to see it right now, but that turmeric really does help to give you that traditional pickle color. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, let me know if you do pickles differently, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another video.